Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Euganie, aka Miss Tushy, and this video is going to be all about tools that I use for booking my clients, for beginners, obviously. I want to continue my series for beginner tips as far as anybody who's trying to become a makeup artist or who would like to become a makeup artist in the near future, and some tips and stuff so you can be a little bit prepared and, you know, try to keep it simple. 1, 2, 3, nothing crazy, nothing critical. So this is what this video is going to be all about. So stay tuned and continue watching so you can get some good information. Okay, so if you see me looking down, I apologize. I do have some notes. And if you see my face looking like this in another video, yes, because a girl is using her time wise. So she's doing multiple videos in one day. Now, this video is going to be about booking. So when you are first starting out, there's many ways you can start to book based on, I guess, the level that you're at. So in the beginning, for me, Instagram was a way of me booking. It was Instagram and also business cards is what I had in the beginning. So I had business cards and I had my information on the business card, and people would text me or call me in order to get booked. Okay. Then, you know, of course, Instagram was a big thing. So that started to build up a little bit. I would show my work on there, and then I would also indicate to people they can book me through DM. Now, currently, I'm going to say if you're going to use Instagram to book your clients, make sure you have a business page, because when you have a business page, it allows you to have links within your or tabs on your page, so people can click on something directly and either contact you, whether via email or via text. So you can eliminate the DM process if you really don't want to do DMs, because I kind of feel like now especially DMs is kind of not really, how do we say this, professional. But I'm not knocking it though. I'm not knocking it. I'm not saying it's impossible to use. However, I feel I like when I go to someone's page and they're offering a service and I can hit the book button or I can hit the contact button and it sends me to their email, or I can, you know, whatever. So first things first, I'm going to recommend you get a business page. It's such a simple thing. All you have to do is make sure you have a Facebook page to link it to. So that's how, and it'll go through the process with you. It's very easy, and you'll get the step-by-step on how to do that if you don't have a Facebook page. Now, what else? If you do decide to book this way, whether they book through your email as far as they contact you and ask, do you have availability? Do you have an appointment for this day? Now, you want to definitely ask for a deposit. I don't care if you're just starting out, you're going to get a deposit. The reason I say that is because you don't want your time to be wasted. You don't want to have somebody say, okay, I want to come for this appointment, and then next you know the day comes and they're nowhere to be found. And you might have rearranged your life or rearrange your time or whatever you wanted to do that day around that person coming to get their appointment done, or for you to be going to them. I'm not sure how you're doing it, and you don't want to waste your time. Me personally, I do not really travel, and I really discourage people from asking me to travel to them, because I just have way too many things, and I'm not trying to be tug-a-lugging all over the world with that stuff. I'm sorry, I just can't. I can't do it for no one person. So I do have a in-home studio setup where people come to me and I do my services out of my home. If I do travel, it would be for weddings, bridal parties, which I still don't really do those either, is because then people be giving you trouble for weddings and stuff. But that's another topic for another day. So I do not travel. So when somebody comes to me, they have to pay a deposit, and I will see them when they get here. But I'm going to tell you what tool that I use in a little bit to book my my clients. Now, if you do have just an email or just a phone number for them to contact you with to book in, and you want to see how can I get my deposit, I would recommend you have you use Cash App. Well, I really don't want to recommend Cash App. I'd probably say Zelle or PayPal, but Cash App if you have to. PayPal is probably my #1 way. I love PayPal, but some people may not want to deal with PayPal because you do have to pay. They do take a percentage out of the money. It's not a high percentage, to be honest with you. However, I do have a PayPal account. I have a PayPal business account, and I have a regular PayPal account. So basically everything goes through there. I just feel a little bit more secure when I know that something's being done through PayPal. And PayPal has so many features if you opt for the business account, which is free, by the way. Okay, they also even give you a business debit card that you can use if you don't want to transfer money right away to your checking account or your savings account, whichever one. And it's a free service. You can create contracts, you can create invoices. It's such a easy thing to do, and I like that it has those options for you as well. So I would highly recommend getting a PayPal business account just to have, even if you're not really using it like that, just to have. Now if you want to stay away from those fees, it's a percentage of the amount of money that you transfer. So if I'm transferring $25, I'm transferring 24 and change. Okay, so if you want to keep your cents, then you may want to like rethink using PayPal. But I like PayPal, like I said, because it's protecting me and the client. Now, if you want the passenger, oh my God. If you want the client to text you to make their appointment and you really don't want your phone number to be used or for anyone to have your number, even though I will tell you this, if they do hit the contact button through your Instagram, it's directly contacting you. It's not giving them a number to contact you with. As soon as they do that to text, it's going to automatically contact you with it. Now, you do have Google has a phone number that you can get that you can use primarily just for your business. It will be linked to your phone number, so your clients don't actually have to text or call your specific number. They will be calling this number instead. And I used to use this, but mine's expired because I wasn't really using it that much. Maybe because I actually moved on to something else, so I wasn't even really in need of it anymore. But I did have it in the beginning because I didn't really want nobody to have my phone number specifically. When someone calls you or texts you through this number, you will know that it's being called through the Google number. So you will know it is a client. You understand what I'm saying? So you don't have to worry about, okay, I don't know who's calling. You know who's calling because it's going to tell you, the Google is, I don't remember exactly how it is, but Google, it actually comes up and says, you are getting a incoming call from yada yada yada. The person sometimes has to say their name so you can know who it is. When you hear that, you already know it's a Google call. Plus, I think when the call ID comes up, it comes up in that way as well. If they text you, it comes through as in your email. So you'll get an email notification. You respond in the email, it texts them back. So it's pretty cool and it's free. It's free. If you're interested in it, all you have to do is Google Voice, and you get all the information from there and they walk you through the process. Now we're going to move on to what I use. So this is what I use, and a lot of free makeup artists who you will notice on Instagram have kind of like the same thing they use. It's called Acuity Scheduling. What the? All right, so a lot of pages on Instagram uses Acuity Scheduling. I'm going to put the information down below, and I'm looking at my phone because I wanted to write this down, but the girl was lazy. So basically they have different options for you. So they have options from free, and then they have paid options, but they have different prices for the paid options. So the free one is called the freebie. It's $0 a month. It's a solo. Basically, so with a freebie, your client can self-schedule themselves. It offers unlimited services and appointments. That is all you get with the freebie. $0 a month. So basically they can schedule an appointment with you on their own and their appointment will be booked. Okay, I'm not sure if it allows for deposit, but I think it does. I think it does give the option for deposit. Now with Acuity Scheduling, everything comes with it. Everything is done for you. You're not really contacting the client yourself necessarily, which is why I like it a lot. You have to create your page, all your information that you want to let your potential client know. You have to put your different services that you're offering, the pricing, your availability, all of that good stuff. So you're doing that all on your own, and you just take a little time, think it through, look at other people's pages, because that's what I did. I'm not gonna lie to you, to get ideas of certain things you should include, and you personalize it to your own stuff. You could put your logo on the page, you could customize the colors, the fonts, all that good stuff. So I really think Acuity Scheduling is such a great platform to use when it comes to booking clients. If you want something that is primarily for makeup or primarily for that service, you know, a lot of professional makeup artists do have their own websites that they use to book their clients and stuff like that. However, like I said, this is a becoming a makeup artist for beginners type of series that I'm doing, and I'm not trying to make it very complicated for you guys. I want it to be as simple as possible, and sometimes you choose what works for you. And what works for me is this, because like I said, I don't like to really interact with people too much. I just want them to have all the information. They read it, they agree to it, because I do have terms on my page. It does allow you to do that as well, by the way, which I'll mention in a little bit. Let me move on to the next one. So they have Emerging. Emerging is $15 a month, and this is the one that I have. So what you get with Emerging is you get, the client can self-schedule, of course. You have unlimited services and appointments that you can offer. They get reminder emails, and it says automatic time zone conversion for clients. So that's all that comes with it. But all those things I mentioned before also comes with Acuity scheduling in that $15 a month. I have a disclosure that my potential clients have to read and agree to. I have questions that they have to answer before booking my service. Skin type, allergies, all that good stuff. I have all of that included. So the only thing I'm not getting is reminder texts, which when I start to have, when I feel like it's worth it for me to have that, I will upgrade to that one. But for so far, the $15 a month one is working out for me. I'm getting everything I need. So they have the Growing, which comes with client self-scheduling, unlimited services and appointments, reminder emails, text message reminders worldwide, sell appointment packages and gift certificates. So you could do packages and gift certificates with that one. You can sell subscriptions, memberships, or offer payment plan for packages, automatic time zone conversion for clients, and that's it. If you go to the Power one, which is the next one, that offers multiple time zones for your different staff and locations, which is obviously, that's on another level that we probably don't need. So the Growing is $25 a month, and the Powerhouse is $50 a month. Now, I feel like those are definitely not things we need to have. But the next one up for me would be the Growing. You can have 6 calendars, staff/locations, with that one as well. But like I said, I like my $15 a month one. I'm fine with the reminder emails, and that's okay for me. So that's the feature, that is the scheduler that I use to make my appointments. I think it's simple, I think it's easy. I like the fact that it comes with different options of prices from $0 to and up. So you choose what works best for you. So if you don't really have money to spend like that right now, choose a free option. Your clients can still schedule themselves. It still comes with some good features that you can use in the beginning. And I kind of feel like it's just much better when someone's booking you. You don't have to be, you know, you put your availability up there. This is what you're available, and they can book you for your time. You don't have to be going back and forth with a potential client saying, okay, well, can you do this time, or can you do, no, none of that. None of that. They go on the website, they simply look and say, okay, she's available these times only, and they book for that time, and that is it. Simple. Nobody got time for all of that. Okay, I mean, I don't. Some people do, but I don't. I don't have time to go back and forth with someone about timing and all that good stuff. You can put your late fees in there. You can put your policies in there. You can put all those things in there. You can make sure, please read before booking my service. This is things that also I feel protect you as a makeup artist, because if someone tries to say, oh, well, I didn't know that, or da-da-da-da-da, you simply pull up your page that they read and agreed to and say, well, it says it right there. You didn't read that? But anyways, that's gonna be it for me as far as tools I use for booking, from beginning to the advanced. And hopefully this information was very useful for you. I hope I didn't ramble too much. Hope I didn't get off topic too much. And please don't forget to like and subscribe down below. And stay tuned for the next video. I am ready to bust out a next one in a little bit. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I have 2 pages. I'll list them down below, and probably somewhere on this screen I have my personal page and my business page. Please follow both. Please support. I really appreciate anything. I appreciate all you guys. If you're watching this video, I'm very appreciative and grateful that you are taking your time to sit with me and listen to me. Anyways, guys, I will see you on the next one. Bye.